In this video, I will guide you through copying the settings from one version of the Panther TPS to another. To see the configurations files, you can open Prowess System and browse to the bin folder and open the configurations folder. For example, you already have settings in version 5.7. Now you want to use new version 5.81 with the same settings as the previous version. Before you change the settings, you should close all Prowess applications and create a backup folder for the original configuration files and copy those files to this folder. Now let's see what's inside the configurations folder. The first file is the config file, which contains the configuration settings for items such as the laser export settings and machines. The default user file contains most of the information in the configuration tool. You can see here it defines beam colors, ISO dose color, planning, etc. Please remember, if you copy this file, the new version will use the patient data and machine data from the previous version and should be changed here or in the config tool. The host destinations file contains the information for your DICOM RT export settings. The host DICOM file contains the information for your DICOM RT import settings. The host DICOM communicator file contains the information for DICOM communicator. The host Prowess 3D are the host settings. You do not need to copy this file because the system will set it up for the new version. The security users file contains the information from the Security Manager utility, where you set up user accounts for Prowess. And that's it. We have now copied the settings from one version to another. Once again, if there is any issue, you can recover the previous configuration from the backup that was done previously. Thank you for watching.